10 properties, 100k each, £1 million portfolio. You're doing well if you're making 172 quid per property at the moment, which in reality is shite. But there's one way where you can make more money than this, and it involves time. Most people get a loan for 75% of the value of their portfolio. That was a shocking 5. But if you got a loan for 50%, that means your mortgage across your portfolio would be £500,000, which means that at 5.5% interest rate, when are the Bank of England going to drop the rate? Your mortgage for 10 of these properties is going to be £2,291 instead of, what the hell is that? That is definitely not an arrow. Instead of £3,437, 50 pence at 75%. So if each little house rents out for £700 a month and we have 10 of these, that means we are going to have £7,000 a month. Now that type of skill is what led to me getting a D in A-level maths. So if you want to see any more grade D A-level maths breakdowns of property investing, make sure you drop me a follow because I'm not sure there's anyone else out there doing that. And then we've got to take off 12% for management, which leaves us with 6,610. 10% maintenance and voids leaves us with 5,460. Insurance for 10 properties leaves us with 5,160. The big boy, the mortgage, 2,869. Each property makes us £286.90, which is £100 more than the 172 board of shit you would normally get. Now this is done by not constantly pulling money out of your deals. As house prices go up, this means you build more equity in the property because you're not pulling money out. And the good thing is, when interest rates finally do go down, you can move to a cheaper interest rate so you actually make even more money. So the key to making more money in property is time.